VOGEL State Park is located in Blairsville, Georgia. That's about an hour 50 northeast of Atlanta. This is Georgia's second oldest state park, which is established in 1931. This small but beautiful 233-acre park is surrounded by the Chattahoochee National Forest. The CCC dammed Wolf Creek and made this 22-acre lake called Lake Trahlyta, named after a Cherokee maiden who is buried not too far from here. This park has a $5 a day parking fee, and with that you can fish, geocache, there's 17 miles of hiking trail, there's miniature golf, paddling, swimming in the summer months, bike rental, and there's kayak, paddleboard, pedalboard, and aquacycle rental seasonally. We spent a few days at this park because it was our base from other things we did in the area, so it was a great place to stay. In one of their 34 cottages, they also have 90 campsites, 18 walk-in campsites, and 1 pioneer campground. Another thing this park has is a beautiful waterfall called Trahlyta Falls. You can easily get to the falls from the Trahlyta Lake Trail, which is only a 1-mile loop trail. We stayed in cottage 28 right at the top of the hill, and it had 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a living room and kitchen, and Wi-Fi. We're going to do the Byron Reese Trail.